In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount on Square appointments. Whether you're a business owner looking to offer seasonal promotions or just want to provide special prices for specific customers, adding discounts can be a powerful tool. Let's walk through this process together. To start with, you'll need to head over to the Square website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to squareup.com. In the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've done so, it'll prompt you to enter your Square account credentials, type in your username and password, and then log into your account. After signing in, you'll find yourself on your Square dashboard. Here, you want to look for the Items and Inventory section. Click on it to access a range of options related to your products and services. Among these options, you should see discounts. Select this option because this is where you'll manage any discounts you wish to offer. Now, let's get to the exciting part, adding the discount. In the discount section, click on the option that says Create a Discount. You'll be directed to a form where you'll need to enter various details about your discount. First, you'll need to give it a name. This could be something simple like summer sale, or more descriptive, so you easily identify it later. Next, select the type of discount you want to provide. You have two choices here, percentage or fixed amount. A percentage discount might be 10% off, whereas a fixed amount discount might be $5 off. Choose the one that suits your promotion best. The next step is to set the availability of this discount. Decide whether you want it to apply to all of your services or specific ones. You can also make the discount available automatically or through a discount code that customers have to enter. This flexibility allows you to tailor the offer precisely to how you want your customers to engage with it. Once you have filled in all of these details and you're satisfied with your entries, remember to save the discount. This crucial step ensures that your hard work is updated and functioning as intended. With the discount now saved, let's go back to the main dashboard by clicking Home. If you want to draw more attention to your discount or add an automated marketing touch, you can create automation within Square. Click on Create Automation in the dashboard to start this process. You have options here, like sending a text message about your discount or even wishing customers a happy birthday and inviting them to visit with your new discount offer. With these steps, you've now added a discount in Square appointments and know how to promote it efficiently. This straightforward process can enhance both customer satisfaction and sales. Thanks for watching and happy selling with Square.